Hanamura! It's time, boys. You know what time it is. That's what's up.
Look at the size of that thing!
Hey guys, it's me, Dumpster here, bringing you some 4174 rated Symmetra gameplay. First thing you want to do at the start of the game is spam E with all your teammates. I missed one, but he's Roadhog. He doesn't even care about the extra health. The guy's like, he's fat.
Hello?
Hello?
Greetings.
I'm not one for standing around.
We got Lynx on the other team. What's up, Lynx? He's ranked 49.
Attackers
Hi guys.
in 30 seconds.
Turret online.
Hello there.
Order will be restored. Everyone is protected. Sentry deployed.
Symmetra's not bad on this point.
3, 2, 1.
Stream sniper confirmed? Nah.
Defend objective A.
That guy's a goner piece, dude. Maybe we should put more turrets here on the left. We'll just put one over here for now. Also, time to play a little more safe because I have Telly. See if anyone dies first, and we'll drop Telly after. Okay, she's back up now. Got him into the room of hell.
They're flanking your right.
Teleport online.
Okay, here they all come. Here comes the rush.
Heroes never die. Four shields.
I think we're okay. I think we should be okay to contest this still. What the? Who shot this? There's a freaking Zenyatta on him. What do we do about that? He's got an ulting Zen. We good. We good though.
Still top.
Is an illusion.
No one going on point. Well, it's all about the thirds more so than anything else.
Aligning defense system.
Hold up.
Turret deployed.
Oh, looking good. Oh, looking good. Okay, we got 3 more charges here, huh? Who's pushing underneath? Oh, I'll let someone else take it. I don't really do anything in fights. It was a good run, though. We teleported a lot of people.
My teleporter has been destroyed. The way
Alright,
is closed.
what do we want to swap to next? May, of course.
Our world is worth fighting for.
Objective lost. New defense point. Objective B.
That guy's a goner. Peace.
Come on, guys.
Is he still in?
Go up top maybe?
We're okay. Think they're gonna walk in main? I hope they do. Or they're doubling back. You can see it all from here, really. It's only McCree up there, right? So you have Widow top right. There goes the Reinhardt. You follow the Reinhardt around, you know pretty much where the whole team's going.
My ultimate is ready.
Let's just hide here just for fun. I like his moves, honestly, because he might have actually killed me there if he headshot me as I was dropping and it forced me to drop. But, let's see. They still need help there?
You need Genji or something like that? So, or you know what I'm saying?
Oh, we should be okay, we should be okay. Not okay, not okay. Oh. GG. They're all worried about the Widow, but the Widow is going to close out the game. I mean, she could now because they have 2/3. Well, they have 1/3 cap. We're safe. And a wall, yeah, I know. I get sucked in as it's been too.
Great. Ultimate is charging.
Have fun, buddy. Have fun. I think someone's still frozen down there. I'll contest here. Oh man, that Zen is just rolling.
I'm on fire. Not really. My ultimate is charging.
Dude, who are the top DPS heroes? Tanks.
The ult from Reaper. Some pretty bad.
I could have walled that faster. Probably killed him. You suck. Nice.
Reaper's up top by himself.
Not looking good. Tank links are just walking, killing half the team. It's okay. We have the spawn advantage. He's gonna have to kill all the scrubs at least twice over to win the game. Oh man, it didn't build fast enough. That sucks. Oh well. It took him a while though, it's good. And a wall, I shouldn't have dropped the wall, I should have let the Reinhardt back up. I actually killed my entire team with that. You're kinda right.
Prepare to attack.
It's okay though, they're leaving the game out of spite right now.
Does someone else want to play Reinhardt? I can play Anna.
See where your voice sounds different? It's because the microphone's next to the keyboard. It's like literally on the table. Seagull dumpsters, GM, WTF. Yeah, actually, you know, I'm kind of surprised. Like, so GM as a rank feels like it's completely gone now since they implement top 500. Does anyone else feel that way? Like, so if you're top 500, that means you're probably 3,700 or higher, but GM only is 4K plus. So what's the point of GM now? And it also overwrites your old icon. Like, look at Derek Wing, for example, on our team. He would be GM, but I guess I'm GM because, you know, I don't have the 50 games played requirement for top 500 yet, but I have over 4K ratings. So it's like, I don't know. Feels weird. Seagull Taimu sub? Really? Yes, Simon. First he subs, then I get mod.
We can do it.
Feels good, man. Step 1 complete.
Five, four, three, two, one. Attack commence.
I like the sketch a lot. It's cute.
A.
Not walk past the door until I figure out if they have a May or not heading around the corner. 1 second. No May, we're safe.
The Tracer on top behind us.
They're gonna have Volt soon though. Might be okay? Dude, Shadows is following me around, who knows? Ooh, peace, dude.
Tracer's good.
Wait, did it absorb it? I was just gonna self-finish it. I was gonna, like, ice block it, but I was kinda curious that it absorbed it.
Tracer back.
Objective A
Nice.
captured.
That's a bad spawn.
Commence attack on objective B.
Sorry, I got a bad spawn.
My ultimate is
Don't try getting high grounds. So what do we can fuck them up?
They have a Widow now.
ice wall coming up.
He's stuck in that. He's stuck in the wall. What's the point of earth shattering? They're all dead, bro. Hope we don't actually lose because of that. It's too much old stacking. That actually could be a thing. Let's see. You always said they're coming out of spawn off.
Widows on my side, watch out for that.
This is what I'm worried about right here. Did we kill the Santa first? Freeze him, freeze him, freeze him. Oh, what is that sleep, dude? That's still there, okay? Well, we got this. We got this. That was so much closer than it should have been.
Nice shot, mate.
Holy crap.
Score 2-2. Switching sides. Prepare your defenses.
Do we Symmetra again or May?
They have 1 minute. I don't think Symmetra is really needed here. I think we need like a May or something.
He's actually completely correct. I shouldn't play Symmetra. Symmetra's actually good if you do like full holds over a long period of time. I mean,
On this mission.
what's the point?
I'm sure it's fine. They're gonna try 2 hard pushes probably,
In 30 seconds.
but we got so much time on them.
That was great.
Oh god, what happened to her face?
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. 60 seconds remaining.
Put it outside here so that way they know what they're up against. Actually, probably shouldn't. Oh, they have a Sonic there? Ooh, he almost got me with it. So right here. Come on through, teammates or enemies, you know you wanna. Hanzo, please don't Hanzo me. Hopefully you don't see me directly before you, below your head. I swear to God, I've been sitting here. Dude, look away for 1 second, man.
Hanzo dead.
We good here? It's fine. Oh yeah, we're doing it.
I'm almost there at all.
Coming up.
Hanzo's up right, so.
动住，任洗澡。
Okay, so we gotta get 1.6.5 minutes, or whatever it is, like 3 minutes.
Fuck up.
Switching sides. Prepare to attack.
Our world is worth fighting for. That was great.
Step into my palace and the spider to the fly.
Say it.
That was great.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
Shine.
That was great.
I don't have hello bound on this account. Mistakes.
One. Attack commencing. Capture objective.
Hanzo top left.
See, Reaper on the right. What was I worried about, man? You can't. You always wait for the first 15 seconds to hit tab before you walk through that door. So you never know what's coming through that door.
Nice. Pushing from front.
Turn it up.
Does he just boost up there? He's dead. Wait, he fed. It's time to go.
Oh, his look.
Into the iris.
I got my Widow. I covered you, bro.
First one.
Complete.
Poor guy.
Final. Commence attack on objective B. Victory.
It looks so weird because you can actually like turn and face people while coming up. Oh yeah, loot box. We're there, boys. We're almost there.
One is protected. Sentry deployed.
Symmetra's not bad on this point.
3, 2, 1.
Stream sniper confirmed? Nah.
Defend objective A.
Breaks in.
That guy's a goner piece, dude. Maybe we should put more turrets here on the left. We'll just put one over here for now. Also, time to play a little more safe because I have telly. Let's see if anyone dies first, we'll drop telly after. Okay, she's back up now. Got him into the room of hell.
Top. The flanking area.
Teleport on down.
Here they all come. Here comes the rush.
Heroes never die. Four shields.
I think we're okay. I think we should be okay to contest this still. What the? Who shot this? Is he still in?
Up top maybe?
We're okay. Think they're gonna walk in main? I hope they do. Or they're doubling back. You can see it all from here, really. It's only McCree up there, right? So you have Widow top right. I guess the Reinhardt. If you follow the Reinhardt around, you know pretty much where the whole team's going.
My ultimate is ready.
Let's just hide here just for fun. I like his moves, honestly, because he might have actually killed me there if he headshot me as his drop. There's a freaking Zenyatta on him. What do we do about that? He's got an ulting Zen. We good. We good now.
Still up top.
These are delusions.
No one going on point. Well, it's all about the thirds more so than anything else.
Aligning defense system. Everyone is protected. Turret deployed.
Not looking good. Not looking good. Okay, we got 3 more charges here, huh? Who's pushing underneath? I'll let someone else take it. I don't really do anything in fights. It was a good run, though. We teleported a lot of people.
My teleporter has been destroyed. The way
Alright,
is closed.
what do we want to swap to next? May, of course.
Our world is worth fighting for.
Objective lost. New defense point. Objective B.
guy's a goner. Beast.
One goes.
Hopping and it forced me to drop. But
Widow's in the window.
let's see. They still need help there?
You need Denji or something like that, or you know what I'm saying?
Oh, we should be okay, we should be okay. Not okay, not okay. Oh. GG.
Point.
They're all worried about the Widow, but the Widow is going to close out the game. I mean, she could now because they have 2/3. Well, they have 1/3 cap. We're safe. And a wall, yeah, I know. I get sucked in as it's put into.
Great. Ultimate is charging.
I don't have a widow
Yeah,
anymore.
release her.
Have fun, buddy. Have fun. I think someone's still frozen down there.
Yeah, no point.
I'll contest here. Oh,
Traveling.
Hanamura. It's time, boys. You know what time it is. That's what's up.
Look at the size of that thing!
Hey guys, it's me, Dumpster here, bringing you some 4174 rated Symmetra gameplay. First thing you want to do at the start of the game is spam E with all your teammates. I missed one, but he's Roadhog. He doesn't even care about the extra health. The guy's like, he's fat.
Hello?
What?
Greetings.
I'm not one for standing around.
We got Lynxers on the other team. What's up, Lynxer? He's ranked 49.
Attackers
Hi, guys.
incoming in 30 seconds.
Turret online.
Hello there.
Order will be restored. Every